great city of Atlanta, Georgia. And if you can guess, today is the start of me getting this car color changed. I have the wrap in this box that's sticking out of my windows because, you know, FRSs are practical, but they're not. But that's okay, because I still love this car anyway, and I'll make it work. But yeah, I gotta let it kind of like stick out the window because I can't get it to fit in here any other way. So yeah, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna go up and meet a Grim, the guy who's wrapping my car. I think he's giving me a pretty good homie hookup compared to what I could be getting charged if I were to get it done at like a shop. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with Marquise because I'm gonna have to leave the car up there for about a week, and that's the only way I'm gonna be able to get back home. So Marquise is gonna have to bring me back home so I don't, you know, have to be stuck in Atlanta for a week. So shouts out to him for that. So I'm going to meet up here with him right now.
Trying to talk out what the fuck I'm trying to do with my channel.
You know something, I always forget to close my gas cap.
Yeah, don't do that.
Like the other day, I was driving my van and I literally left it on top of the van and drove off, and it fell off on the road, and I had to go back and play Frogger to go get it. Every time. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so as you can see, my windows down idea isn't gonna work. It's raining. We just caught a lot of it on the interstate. So I guess I'm gonna have to try to throw it in Marquise's truck. All right, Marquise has got the box now, the goods. So now we can ride and not really worry too much. Never fails. Every time I come to Atlanta, I hit traffic. Every single time, without fail. Doesn't matter when or where, every single time.
Jelly. You and the roommate ride too. Yeah. You gotta make sure all my people are riding clean.
So what do you plan to do with this thing?
So yesterday I did intakes on it, full exhaust. So pretty much I'm done bolt-ons wise.
Yeah.
I have to get a retune and I have to get a plenum.
Okay.
So that's gonna be the next two things going on with it.
This is a Nismo, right?
It is, yeah.
Okay.
Nismo. Yeah, so just gonna do a little bit of bolt-ons, make it a little more fun to drive, and go from there. And then sense the hell out of it.
Old VQ life.
Old VQ life.
I ain't had one of these in a while.
It was obnoxious because I had test pipes on it.
Yeah.
I did the full AM exhaust on it. It was loud to the point where I felt bad for my neighbors. So I borrowed my friend's high flow cats and put them on here. It's a little more tame, but it's still obnoxious. So.
I live in the country, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. That's how I used to be too back in like Albany, Georgia.
So this man's about to take me for a ride in his Nismo 370 with bolt-ons. He says on a good day with full bolt-ons, it makes like 340 or something like that. That's a lot for me. Coming from, you know, that slow behind thing, that's a lot. So he said he'll take me for a ride in it so I can feel it. It should be fun. I think I fit horribly in these. This is only the second one I've ever been in.
Oh really?
Yeah. This one I fit better than this one though.
Yeah, it's not bad really.
I got in his name is 370Z78. He's got like that real carbon, that one with a lot of carbon fiber on it. And I got in his car, my head was touching the ceiling. I can't remember what kind of seats he had, but yeah, I didn't fit in that one at all. But this one's, and this has actually got more leg room than my car does.
Really?
Yeah. My seat's all the way back. I'm still like, I still don't have this much. Man, I like this. I can't wait to hear this thing.
It's quiet right now.
Right now.
Quieter than it used to be. It used to be obnoxious, so.
I like that.
stops and does all the cool shit.
I'm pretty sure this car is gonna make me feel bad. After all this aesthetic stuff is done, it's just gonna be performance from here on out.
I mean, the only thing you can really do to your car is like boost it.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Power out of it.
There's nothing else I can do except boost it. That's
those
it.
motors don't really like to make power. Because my friend with the BRZ tried. He did like the full bolt-ons and everything.
Yeah.
It really didn't help, man. Like the car might have made 10 or 15 more horsepower, but that's about it.
Yeah, I'm not even. That's why, like, I could get an intake, but like, it's not even worth the money to get one. So like, I'll just save up and boost it, and, you know, drive until it blows up. Wow, that's the quiet one.
Yeah, this is the quiet.
Yeah, that's way louder than my car. Like half my exhaust is still stock. If I can get anywhere close to that in my car, I'll be super happy.
Yeah. The only thing about this car is like it doesn't like going from third to fourth when you're banging gears.
So what did you do to it, like tune-wise, to get it there?
It's tuned by Z1.
Oh.
So right now it's only tuned on test pipes and exhaust.
Yeah.
I need to get a retune for intake, test pipes, exhaust, plenum.
Oh. Okay. That's what's up. Man. 340 never felt so good.
This is not even 340. This car's probably making like 290 or
What?
yeah.
Okay. I'm a horsepower newbie. It's all performance from here on out. I hate having a slow car. Man. Alright, so we're back. He wanted to give Marquise a ride too. So, yeah, man, that thing rips. I don't care what he says. I don't care what nobody says. That thing rips. V6s are awesome. I haven't had a V6 car in like, it's been some years, but the last one I had, it was trash anyway. So, man, I really miss Nissans. I might get me another Nissan one day. I kind of been planning on it, but you know, we'll see how that goes as money comes along. But yeah, that thing, oof, and it sounds so mean. Oh my God, that thing rips.
3-bedroom and it's like $125 for a garage. So,
Huh?
You get an aftermarket bunch of this?
Nope, stock.
What?
It's stock.
Yeah, what's this? Aftermarket shifter though, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it's aftermarket.
There ain't no way that's stuff.
Yeah, it's aftermarket.
Yeah, that comes in a super big way.
I've never seen somebody else drive my own car before. That's weird. That is really weird to see.
That's the life you live.
This thing though, boy. Alrighty, I'm back home. Marquise dropped me off. We had a good talk about future plans and whatnot. We got a lot of big plans. Well, he does. Our plans aren't that big. Just some cool stuff I got planned. That man's got the big plans. But we're gonna make it happen. I'll have my car back in about a week. But until then, I'm gonna go lock myself in my room and force myself to edit some videos because I'm way behind. Maybe by the time you're seeing this, I'm not super behind, but as it stands in my time right now, not YouTube time, I'm really behind. So I got some work to do. That man just pile drive the road. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you're excited for the new color or for it to be finished-ish. And I'll try to keep on making videos about stuff. But until then, peace out and see you guys next time.